Hi, I'm May,
I'm Katrina.
and we're your student content shapers.
Do you know what the SafeZone app is?
For those days working or studying late on campus, SafeZone is the app to give you peace of mind 24/7.
Wondering how to use it? Firstly, download SafeZone from your Google Play or the App Store. Just enter your University of Birmingham email address and select the University of Birmingham from the top of the screen. You'll only need to do this once.
Should you need it, you can alert UoB security in any emergency, either for urgent assistance or first aid support. Take a look around all the features on the homepage. You can just press the 3 big buttons on the homepage if you need first aid support, security, or you're in an emergency. Don't worry if you press accidentally, you can just cancel the call.
If you're ever in a situation where you need to use SafeZone, just hit the security button. The security team will be notified instantly. The handy check-in function will let security know your whereabouts, so if you're on campus studying or working late in the library, for example.
Our well-being is an important priority to the university as well. With the Wellbeing Assistance button, you have instant and easy access to resources, including the option to call the UK charity Samaritans for crisis support out of hours. That's it, it's that easy. You might not need to use it, but if you do, it's on your device, just like it is on mine. Stay safe and stay vigilant with the SafeZone app.